In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in DHgate app. So first of all, launch open DHgate application. You can see over here DHgate application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to sign into your account, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find this option for sign in or join free. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can either log in with email or you can also log in with Facebook or Google. Simply tap on the sign in method of your preference. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So tap on the field of email and enter the email address associated with your account over here. After you do that, tap on this option continue. Now what you have to do is enter the password. If you do not remember your password or if you have any trouble signing in, what you can do is simply tap on this option trouble signing in. After that, your problem will be solved. Now if you have entered the password, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you sign in DHgate app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.